Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue in InDesign: inconsistent leading lines between paragraphs, especially when working with multiple columns. Here's a document with a heading, subheading, an image and body text. Notice how the leading lines of the paragraph in the different columns don't quite align. This can make the text look messy and unprofessional. Also, notice how each paragraph begins with a tab. If you are not sure how to add those, check out my previous tutorial on mastering tabs in InDesign. It covers all the essential techniques for creating professional looking indented paragraph. Link is in the card on top of this video and below in the description. Now back to the topic. This inconsistency can occur due to slight variations in line spacing within each paragraph. To solve this, we are going to leverage InDesign's grid system. Go to Edit, Preferences, Grids. You will find the grid increment setting. By default, this is often set to 12 points. Let's reduce this value to 8 points. This will create a finer grid, allowing for more precise alignment. Now, let's go back to our document. You need to open the Paragraph Styles panel. To do that, go to Window, Styles, and choose Paragraph Styles. Shortcut key is F11. Now select the body text. I have already applied this paragraph style to this body text. Select the body text. Open the Paragraph Style Options dialog box. In the Indents and Spacing section, set the Align to all lines. This ensures all lines within the paragraph will align to the grid you have defined. Observe the difference. The leading lines of the paragraphs in both columns now align perfectly. This creates a much cleaner and more professional look. By aligning the text to the grid, we have eliminated the need for precise manual adjustments to the leading value for each paragraph. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistent spacing throughout your document. This is a simple yet powerful technique for achieving consistent leading and improving the overall visual appeal of your InDesign layouts. Experiment with different grid increments to find what works best for your specific projects. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗟𝗲𝗿𝗃𝗲𝗃@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.